Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one topic, currencies dependency, and in this basically we are talking about the one topic that is ideas basically equal to global warming. In this basically we are talking about one topic that is cities planet basically. Here basically we are talking about one data that is the data circulation basically which is happening basically. Same way basically the income. One person told that basically is this the currencies which is basically getting passed. According to that only the power supply basically is getting passed. That actually question actually connects to IITs and IM basically group basically because they are handling each and every city creations. One person told that basically currencies basically each and every departments basically are passing data to each and every departments. For example, income the railway department are giving the money to 20 lakh people, right? 20 lakh people basically are giving money to the income tax department according to the salary. They are giving the money to the shopkeepers basically. Shopkeepers are basically giving some GST and tax amount to the government. So like this basically the money basically are getting circulated. This is one sequence basically. If we say this, then it would be 100% correct. So this is one sequence basically which is created by the system only basically. This system has created one sequence basically. That also, if we say that that sequence is created by one of the system group basically, then it would be 100% correct. So system basically has created this sequence of the currency circulation basically, then it would be 100% correct, right? So this connects to finance department. Then basically one of the person told that basically, if I say that power department basically and the energy department and the nuclear power company basically, they are also passing the data like this only basically. For example, Vadodara passed the data to Bangalore, Bangalore passed data to the Delhi, Delhi passed the data to the Chennai, Chennai passed the data to the Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad passed the data to the Surat, Surat passed the data to the Valsad, Valsad passed the data to the Gandhinagar, Gandhinagar passed the data to the uh, Bhopal, Bhopal passed the data to the Indore, Indore passed the data to the Delhi, Delhi passed the data to the Uttar Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh passed the data to the Bihar, Bihar passed the data to the Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh passed data to the Delhi, Delhi passed the data to the Bangalore. Like this basically, data are basically getting circulation of the power data. So this is also basically one sequence basically. That means one person told that this is basically one sequence, right? Basically of the power supply data basically. That means, for example, while passing data uh, from Gujarat to Chennai basically, that time basically some earthquake basically happened. When the Gujarat basically got data from, assume that basically they got data from Mumbai city, that time basically the earthquake happened. So immediately they basically break on the chain basically of the passing data of the power supply, and they basically break the chain of the earthquake system basically. If I say they like this basically, then it would be correct or not wrong basically. Then he told that basically it would be 100% correct basically. It would be 100% correct basically. Then basically one of the person told that it would be 100% correct basically. So like this, each and every chain basically of the medical industry, of the energy medical industry, that is also connected like this only basically. That means the last city basically which is going to get the power supply, they basically get the power supply on the base of all city basically. Is this sequence like this basically, or basically the sequence is something else basically? For example, Delhi passed the data to Uttar Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh passed the data to Delhi. Like this basically data are carry forwarding basically, or basically the data are passing their data only to the, for example, Bangalore passed the data to Vadodara city, Vadodara passed their Vadodara data to the Chennai city basically, assume that basically. like this basically data are basically passing, or like this basically the data are getting chained and then basically, for example, Bangalore passed data to Delhi passed the data of Bangalore and Delhi to Vadodara. It's basically like this basically things is happening. So that basically connects to the chaining system basically, which is the chain system basically, which is going to generate in universe basically one time as a planet basically. That means one person told that basically in entire power system, in the entire energy system, in the entire nuclear power system basically, which is getting run, which is running basically, that is controlled by set of satellites basically, because they are only going to handle these all planets basically one day. Then he told that yes basically exactly one day, exactly correct basically. So this is actually one sequence basically. This was basically told by one of the person, and they always keep each and everything basically test up to the certain level. So they sometime basically change the sequence also basically, and if they change the sequence, then basically is anything basically happening in the planets, in the cities, that also basically they checks basically. Then he told that exactly basically you are 100% correct basically. So like this he told that basically this is also one of the sequence basically of the power supply basically. Same way that currency basically is getting changed, same way power supply energy company and the nuclear power company are also basically chained in that way only basically. The reason is it's connected with the planets to planets creation data basically. So everything basically is tested here only basically, and then only basically this planet creation happens basically. That's why basically the earthquakes also happen. This is the only reason basically why the earthquakes happens. There is no other reason behind the earthquakes basically. So like this basically, this is also one of the chaining system of the city to city creation or city to city creation, and this is also one of the chain basically. And this basically also might be containing some basically, might contain basically error, might reason earthquakes basically big level earthquakes are happening basically. That means there might be some problem in the creation of data basically. That is, city creation is nowadays equal to human need creation, and human needs are basically used by the human, and then basically again it's getting chained, and then basically things are basically getting created. So like this basically, this is also basically a little bit about the chaining system of the cities to cities, currencies to currencies. And in this basically, this is also basically one of the global warming error basically you can say, because city creation equal to what basically, city creation equal to ideas creation basically, that also you can say. So whenever the ideas are basically getting created, there basically might be some problem basically, which might be getting some problem, which might be basically getting suffered basically. Due to that basically, due to that idea basically, the other planet also basically might get suffer from some other attraction, or basically something basically might happen in the universe also. So everything is basically gets cleared in the earth planet also basically. So earth planet plays very dangerous role basically in the universe basically, that also you can say. That's why basically each and every satellites basically are connected with the earth planet, each and every cities basically are connected directly with the earth planet, sorry, by the satellites. And satellite groups basically say that we are basically directly connected with the earth planet, each and every cities basically which is getting created. While created basically they also might be connected, or basically might entire cities created, that also creation, creating, created, both time basically, mostly basically the satellite group basically might be directly connected with this data basically. So like this basically, this is also basically little bit about the global warming ideas error basically. In next video also basically we are going to see a little bit more about this global warming idea error.